Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Search to find the best places to eat. Let's dive right in. So here we are in ChatGPT Search. This tool is super useful when you want to find great spots around you. Let's say you're in Soho, London, and you're craving some amazing Indian food. I'll type, "What are the best Indian spots in London near Soho?" and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT Search gives us a list of popular Indian spots near Soho, including places like Dish Hoom, Cinnamon Bazaar, and Darjeeling Express. These are some of the top-rated restaurants known for their delicious Indian cuisine. ChatGPT Search also provides helpful context, such as nearby landmarks or the exact areas where these restaurants are located. If you want to get directions, just open Google Maps and type in the name of the restaurant. This makes it easy to find your way there. And that's it. Finding the best places to eat using ChatGPT Search is really simple and saves you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.